To turn on or turn off Speak Wireless Emergency Alert message in Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus or S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon, select notifications, and then scroll the notification screen, tap advanced settings, scroll down advanced settings screen, and then tap wireless emergency alerts. Scroll down wireless emergency alert screen, and then on speak alert message, fast switch until Bluetooth turn on, or talk switch until free to turn off. Use text to speak wireless emergency alert message. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.